Hello everybody, it's me, your man the man here. I'm back again after a while break. You can actually find me on TikTok. I do a bit of stuff there. Okay. Oh yeah. Never one not to jump on the bandwagon. I got one of them crimper things. Okay. It's been all the ads on Facebook and Amazon and so on. That's all there's been. That and Mr. Bloody what's his name? Fucking Sky fella, the ITP TV man. And that. But I got this, okay? You put your tortillas in it. Make your tortillas. And you put the tortillas in here and so on and blah 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 blah. So that's what I'll be doing later on. Well, now I should say. So right, I'm just going to turn it off for a second. Then I'll start making it and I'll let you know what I think. Okay? Toodles. Okay. Right, here we are. Here's the crimper again. Okay. I have the tortilla in for what I think it is. I think the tortilla might be a bit too small. I think if I got the bigger one for some reason. Anyway, I don't have that in meat, so I'm just putting a bit of meat in. Sorry vegans that are watching. Oh my god. Right, I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese in. Okay. And you can basically put anything on. And as I like garlic, I'll put a bit of garlic on. Okay? So garlic. I was actually told that I don't eat too much enough garlic because I should eat more on it. What can you do? So you crimper over like this, okay? Squishy. Squish it down and you open it up. Ooh! It looks like a thingy. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it in the air for 5 minutes, okay? I'm just gonna squeeze it down so it sticks together. And I have a panini maker, so I might do them in the future in here. Okay. I'm just gonna put it on for 5 minutes. And in true professional way, here's what I prepared earlier. It didn't come out great because I don't think I crimped it down enough. But still, it's nice. Yeah, put it over like that and it's all falling apart, so I don't need to cut it. Okay, so that's it really, that's the crimper. I think it's worth a couple of quid of pay for it. I got it on Amazon. Yeah, I think it's about 5 or 6 quid or so. I've seen them for €15 or so, but I don't think they have to pay €15 for it. Okay, so that's it. Right, thanks for watching and subscribe and all that. Okay, so talk to you all later on. Okay, thank you, bye bye.